welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of luxury, technology, and raw performance via the 2026 Mercedes S-Class AMG. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling statement of prestige and power. Whether you're a CEO, a performance junkie, or simply appreciate exquisite craftsmanship, the S-Class AMG delivers an experience like no other. Let's break it down and see what makes this flagship AMG so exceptional. Body panels. The 2026 S-Class AMG boasts a commanding presence on the road. Its body panels are sculpted from lightweight aluminum and reinforced steel, giving it strength without unnecessary weight. AMG-specific design enhancements like extended side skirts, a more aggressive front apron, and wider fender flares not only elevate the car's stance but also enhance aerodynamics. Sleek creases along the hood and shoulder lines add a refined tension, perfectly balancing elegance with aggression. Headlights. At the front, the digital light headlamps steal the show. Each unit contains over 1 million micro-mirrors, allowing for pinpoint light distribution and customizable beam patterns. The headlights automatically adjust brightness, shape, and angle depending on traffic, weather, and road conditions. Plus, they offer animated light projections upon startup because first impressions matter, especially in an S-Class AMG. Taillights. Moving to the rear, the three-dimensional LED taillights are not just stylish, they're smart. With adaptive brightness, dynamic turn indicators, and sequential lighting effects, the taillights ensure high visibility while maintaining that signature Mercedes elegance. The wraparound design emphasizes the car's width and road dominance, especially when viewed from behind. Grille. The front grille is unmistakably AMG. The signature Panamericana grille with vertical chrome slats adds an aggressive focal point. Behind it sits an active shutter system that opens to cool the engine during spirited driving and closes for aerodynamic efficiency at cruising speeds. The massive central star and AMG badging let everyone know, this isn't your ordinary S-Class. Seats. Step inside and you're embraced by AMG performance luxury. The multi-contour seats come wrapped in Napa leather or optional AMG-specific exclusive leather packages, complete with heating, cooling, and massage functions. Bolstered side supports keep you firmly in place during high-speed cornering, while memory functions adjust everything from seat position to lumbar settings with a touch. Dashboard. The dashboard is a panoramic blend of technology and craftsmanship. A full-width ambient lighting strip runs beneath open-pore wood, carbon fiber, or piano black trim set depending on your spec. The 2026 model features a floating 3D digital instrument cluster that offers a holographic display for speed, navigation, and driver assistance overlays. It's not just a DAS, it's a digital cockpit. Infotainment system. At the center of it all is the MBUX Hyperscreen, a curved glass panel housing 3 OLED displays across the dashboard. The 17.7-inch central screen controls navigation, media, comfort settings, and even scent diffusion. Voice recognition is smarter than ever, just say "Hey Mercedes," and you can adjust almost anything. Rear passengers? They get their own 11.6-inch entertainment displays and touch panels too. Steering wheel. The AMG-specific performance steering wheel comes finished in Napa leather or optional Alcantara, featuring dual-spoke design and haptic feedback buttons. Integrated thumbwheel selectors let you change drive modes and performance settings on the fly. With heating, capacitive grip sensors, and ergonomic paddles, the wheel gives you full control with absolute comfort. Engine. Under the hood, the 2026 S-Class AMG offers brute force with elegance. The hand-built 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 delivers up to 750 horsepower in the S63 E-Performance model. Paired with a 9-speed AMG speed-shift transmission and fully variable 4MATIC plus all-wheel drive, the result is a 0-60 mph time of 3.2 seconds in a full-size luxury sedan. And yes, it sounds as angry as it is fast, thanks to AMG's active exhaust system. Hybrid option. Adding brains to all that brawn, the 2026 AMG S-Class includes an advanced plug-in hybrid system. An electric motor adds an extra 200+ horsepower and delivers up to 40 miles of pure electric range. Perfect for city driving or silent departures, it recharges through regenerative braking or plug-in charging at home or stations. This E-Performance setup not only improves efficiency but fills the torque gap instantly for neck-snapping acceleration. Airbags. When it comes to safety, the S-Class AMG is a fortress. It includes 13 airbags, a front, side, curtain, knee, and even rear seat airbags embedded in the backrests. New for 2026 is the rear frontal airbag, deploying from the front seatbacks to cushion rear passengers in a head-on collision. Add in pre-safe impulse side, which lifts the car body milliseconds before a side impact to better protect passengers, and you've got a sedan engineered to protect like no other. Parking assist. City driving in tight parking spaces are a breeze with active parking assist and a 360-degree surround view camera. The car scans for available spaces, steers itself in or out, and can be controlled via smartphone with remote parking. There's also automated valet parking, which lets the car park itself in designated garages without you even being in it. All you do is step out, and the S-Class handles the rest. Price. Now, luxury and performance like this doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Mercedes AMG S-Class starts at around $165,000 for the base AMG model. But once you spec it with all the top-tier package as AMG ceramic brakes, executive rear seat package, E-Performance drivetrain, you're easily looking at $190,000 to $200,000. For many, though, that price reflects more than just a car. It's a symbol of top-tier engineering, luxury, and exclusivity. And that wraps up our in-depth look at the 2026 Mercedes S-Class AMG, a vehicle that doesn't just drive, it commands. With blistering performance, unmatched interior luxury, and futuristic technology, this car stands in a class of its own. It's not just the pinnacle of Mercedes-Benz, it's the future of luxury performance. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of high-performance machines like this one. Got thoughts or want a comparison with the BMW 7 Series M or Audi S8? Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, drive bold, drive smart, and stay passionate about cars. Would you like a version with timing cues for editing or narration pacing? I can also include visual suggestions if you're